Vechain at the time of this recording continues to hold above a Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.02254 and the 0.022, which is that yellow target area here on the chart. And that is after getting a breakdown move to the lower side, after breaking to the lower side of this ascending trend line that I had here on the chart. And on my previous videos, I shared with you that it is most likely that whatever we have been seeing in the past few days is just a retest of this ascending trend line before we can continue pushing lower. But as long as we continue holding within Fibonacci key areas of support, we still have the benefit of doubt that we can still continue pushing higher. So today I will be discussing the areas that we need to continue holding within, and also discuss the case scenario that I expect is going to continue giving us higher prices. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting with the more bullish case scenario, from the lows we made down here on the 25th of September, you can see that we got this bounce to the upside in a move that made a high above the 0.02425. And my analysis has been that in case on this pullback over here we continue holding within the golden pocket, which is given by connecting the fibs from the lows we made down there to the highs, and you can see that the golden pocket is between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the 0.0227 and the 0.2235, which is that yellow target area. In case we continue holding within this area over here, there's a very high chance that Vechain can easily give us a bounce in the next coming hours, and also give us a break above the high we made above the 0.02423. And the moment that plays out, then that will be the first indication that we can continue pushing higher in the next coming days. And this movement over here is not going to turn out to be a bearish retest of this ascending trend line over here before we can continue pushing lower. So that is the first case scenario that we can expect here on the Vechain chart. And on that bounce, we can have the 0.02423 and the 0.02722 as our next impulsive target areas. But if by any chance we get another breakdown move breaking to the lower side of this yellow target area, then I will first expect a reset of the lows we made on the 25th of September. And that will now be a clear indication that this was only a bearish retest before we can continue pushing lower. And the moment we get a reset of the lows we made on the 25th of September, then I will continue expecting lower prices, expecting a reset of the lows we made on the 22nd of June, and also the lows we made on the 7th of April in the next coming days. And within those two areas, we can now evaluate whether Vechain is going to give us another bounce. And if the bounce doesn't play out, then we can continue expecting even more lower prices in the next coming days, and maybe at some point on the worst case scenario even unlock a new bear market low. So that is something else that we need to have in mind. And for now, let's continue paying attention to our Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.0227 and the 0.02235, because that is the area that is going to give us the next direction here in the market. So that is all for this video, and I believe I will catch you on the next one.